Module F. Social commerce. Social commerce represents a blend of e-commerce and social media, forging a space where shopping becomes an interconnected experience. Unlike traditional e-commerce that operates through specific websites and platforms designed purely for the purpose of buying and selling, social commerce harnesses the social aspects of the digital experience to influence buying behavior. Social media platforms act as vehicles, propelling brands and products into the consumer's view through shared content, recommendations, and social interactions. The proliferation of mobile devices and software applications has been pivotal to the evolution of social commerce. These technologies have effectively shrunk the world into our pockets, allowing for a seamless transition between social interaction and online shopping. Consumers are no longer bound to desktops. They can interact with brands, seek advice from friends, read reviews, and make purchases on the go. Mobile apps specifically designed for shopping incorporate social features, making it easy to see what others are buying, get product recommendations, and even share purchases with others, thereby amplifying the social aspect of shopping. When it comes to making purchasing decisions, shoppers frequently turn to social media. It's here they discover what's trending, seek opinions, and observe what peers are buying. Social proof plays a significant role. Seeing others enjoying a product can be more convincing than traditional advertising. This behavior is underpinned by a range of psychological factors, such as trust, which is fostered when consumers see real people with similar tastes and lifestyles endorsing a product. Such shared experiences resonate more deeply than impersonal marketing, potentially leading to a phenomenon known as confirmation bias, where a shopper feels a sense of validation from reviews by people they perceive as similar to themselves. Social commerce is also characterized by a spirit of authenticity. This is not about the pretense of perfection, but rather the acceptance of organic, word-of-mouth publicity. When brands acknowledge all types of feedback, including the uninvited, the unflattering, and the unfiltered, they project a sense of genuineness. This authenticity is paramount. It builds trust and fosters a community around a brand or product, encouraging an open dialogue where the consumer's voice is heard and valued. While social commerce is broad and multidimensional, it's worth noting that social networking sites are differentiated by specific dimensions, such as audience, degree of specialization, and the social objects that mediate relationships among members. Notably, brand persona and aesthetics are not considered a primary dimension of these platforms. Now, when considering the impact of social commerce and its messages, it is essential to differentiate between editorial and commercial content. An editorial message offers opinions and perspectives on topics, whereas a commercial message directly promotes a product or service. For instance, a newspaper plea for environmental action or sanctions against whaling, despite its persuasive tone, would be categorized purely as a commercial message if its underlying intent is to promote a product or service. As we delve into the language of social commerce, terms like reviews gain prominence. These are detailed assessments provided to the public, offering insights into the user experience with a product or service. These reviews are not to be confused with ratings or recommendations, which may offer more generalized opinions or endorsements without in-depth commentary. In summary, social commerce is an ecosystem that enables networks of buyers and sellers to actively engage in the marketing and selling of products and services in online communities. It's a space that relies on the interconnectedness of social media, the convenience of mobile technology, and the authenticity of shared consumer experiences to redefine the shopping experience. Through this understanding, students will be equipped to appreciate the nuances of social commerce and its impact on consumer behavior. Social media analytics. In the ever-evolving digital landscape, social media stands as a goldmine of consumer insights. Marketers have found in social media analytics a powerful ally to listen, monitor, and analyze public sentiment, behaviors, and trends. These insights are pivotal in crafting strategies that resonate with audiences and drive engagement. Marketers harness social media data to inform their decisions, tapping into the vast streams of user-generated content. When a shopper reads a review and notices similarities with the reviewer, a sense of trust is often established due to perceived shared experiences or views, a phenomenon known as confirmation bias. This psychological element is vital in marketing, as it can significantly impact consumer behavior towards a product or brand. The approaches to social media research are varied and dynamic. It encompasses direct monitoring, where brands observe real-time conversations about themselves, and indirect methods, where trends and patterns are analyzed to understand broader consumer behavior. The latter can be an example of secondary research, where information is already collected and available for use, often easing the research process due to its ready availability. Social listening and monitoring involve a strategic process where data is collected, analyzed, and acted upon. It involves sifting through social chatter to pick up on direct mentions of a brand, indirect references to the industry, or broader discussions that might influence marketing strategies. A central hub for this activity is the Social Media Command Center, a dedicated space equipped with tools and screens displaying real-time data, which is essential for visually monitoring social data that aligns with a brand's marketing objectives. Sentiment analysis is a cornerstone of social media analytics. By evaluating product reviews, marketers can gain insights into desired features, product strengths, and weaknesses. This deep dive into textual content, known as content analysis, is invaluable for understanding consumer needs and improving product offerings. It is not just about the volume of mentions or reviews, it is the emotional tone behind them that can provide a wealth of knowledge. However, this realm of research is not without its challenges. Social media data can be noisy and unstructured, and biases can skew the interpretation of data. Confirmation bias, echo chambers, and the volatile nature of online sentiment can mislead marketers if not approached with a critical eye. Moreover, the sheer volume of data requires sophisticated tools and skilled analysts to decipher meaningful patterns. Understanding social media analytics is essential for modern marketing professionals. It's a blend of art and science, requiring an analytical mind to navigate through the digital chatter and a creative spirit to translate insights into compelling marketing strategies. As we've explored, listening and monitoring can illuminate the path ahead, but it's essential to remain vigilant against the biases and errors that can cloud judgment. The dance of data and human psychology in marketing is intricate, and those who master it will not only predict trends, but also shape them.